At GreenThumb, we know the weather can really take its toll on lawns, leaving many looking a bit dry, a bit patchy, or beyond natural recovery. So that's why we've created Lawn Recovery. It's a simplified, no-fuss treatment plan designed to bring struggling lawns back to life. Scarification is the first step. It clears out dead grass, moss and thatch, removing the barrier that stops water, air and nutrients reaching the roots. Next, we overseed using our exclusive diamond green seed blend to fill in the bare patches and restore healthy growth. We then apply a light layer of top dressing to protect the seed, hold in the moisture and improve the soil. And it also gives young grass the nutrients it needs to establish quickly. And finally, we apply our Oasis treatment, which helps with water conservation, speeding up seed germination and maximising the effectiveness of seasonal rainfall. Lawn recovery is ideal if your lawn is suffering from dry, dead areas but doesn't need the full renovation. It's a stripped-back version of our lawn refresh service, focused on delivering the basics your lawn needs to recover fast.